Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on Pound USD guys. Yesterday we were buying this and we hit a target as you guys can see. So guys, the question remains, what are we going to do next? We are obviously still bullish on the 4H as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the 4H for today. Why? Because the 1H is kind of confusing. And keep in mind guys, it's Fridays. I would like to keep Fridays short, especially if I get a confusing setup like this. I prefer not to trade. But I still think we're kind of bullish. So for today, guys, as long as the price is above 1.33604, I think we seeing the previous high soon, which is at 1.34353, and that would be my only target. And if I get stopped out, if I have to take a loss, I would take a loss and trade again on Monday because I don't like Fridays, especially if you take a loss, just get out. Don't want to have multiple losses on Friday. And guys, if you break below this, I think we'll be seeing 1.33259. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.